Hello friends, I welcome to all of you in this new video. Today I am going to discuss about the topic Lubing.com reviews of United States. In this video you will get to know whether this website is a legit or a scam. Guys, this is not our website. If you have never ordered anything from this website, this unbiased review will help you in deciding the answer of this question. Should I buy from it or not? If you have experienced any fraud over this website, then watch this video till end. I will share the way to get your money back. So guys, let's know about what this website is basically offering to our customers. Guys, from the images one can easily understand that this website especially deals with all kinds of products like extension nail kit, silencer shoot nail grab, hair coloring, clothing, mask, etc. Now let's check some of the best deals, best selling products. So here are the images of some of the products which are available at reasonable prices, and some of them are available at huge discounts right now, so you can check those products by visiting the official website. Now let's talk about the payment policy. Let's check into it. So guys, they accept all kind of online payment method like Visa, PayPal, Discover, MasterCard, credit or debit card, etc. Now let's talk about their shipping policy, where we need to go to the delivery section. Click on the delivery section. Here they mention the orders. Your order will be shipped within 48 hours. You can track your package with the tracking code provided, and it will be delivered at within 3 to 15 working days. Now let's talk about the legitimacy checkpoints. Before going further, I request you all to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe our channel. This will boost our spirit to make much more informative videos. Now let's talk about those important points on which we can judge this website as a scam or legit. So guys, this website is protected by HTTPS protocol, which means the payment gateway is totally safe and secure. Beside this website has been registered on 26th of August 2020. Hence, this is a new website and not totally reliable. Now, if you want to know about a page, let's check into it. Guys, this website does not mention the about us page, which is a negative point for the website. Now if you want to know about the contact address, click on the contact section. Here they mention the contact section. No guys, this website does not mention the contact address, which is again a negative point for the website. Now if you know about the email ID, so here they mention the email ID service@lubing.com, and also they mention their WhatsApp number 85293404952. Now if you know about the social media preference of the website, let's check into it. Guys, this website does not have any social media preference or page till now, which is a negative point again for the website. Now if you want to know about the return and refund policy, let's check into it. Click on the return and exchange section. Here they mention they provide 60 days full refund, includes shipping free if there are any quality issues or shipped wrong size. Now guys, if you know about the customer review of this website, let's check into it. Guys, this website does not have the customer review available in the website, and we have checked in Google too. There is no such a review made by a single customer regarding the quality of the service of the company or by the product, which is again a negative point for the website. Now guys, if you want to know about the website content quality, is also not good because most of the part is copy paste from the other websites. So on the basis of this, we can say this website is a possibly a scam, because most of the parts is negative content quality or negative points, so many negative points, and the poor content quality, because most of the parts is copy paste from the other devices or the websites. So on the basis of this other discussion, we can say, or we can advise you, do your own research effectively before investing your time, money in such products. You can get your money back by checking our links in the description below. Do comment your thought about this video. We read all your comments over every video, so keep commenting. Please like this video, and if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe our channel today. Be informed and be safe. Thank you.